In the winter of 1942, on the frozen streets of Stalingrad, the fate of World War II began to shift. Nazi Germany had pushed deep into Soviet territory.
I challenged myself to create cinematic, realistic 3D documentary videos using AI.
Without spending a single dollar. No paid tools, no secret tricks, no funny business. In this video, I'm breaking the whole process down step by step and giving it to you for free. Let's be honest, most people love watching those professional animated history videos, but only a few creators actually know how to make them without a budget, and even fewer want to teach it because they sell the same method in expensive courses. Well, today, that ends. Watch this video till the end, and you'll be able to create unlimited documentary videos at zero cost. If you want real skills, real workflows, and zero gatekeeping, subscribe to Grow with Chesh. Let's build this together. I've already prepared 3 powerful prompts, so this entire process can be automated. You'll find them linked in the description. No guessing, no confusion. First, we start with idea and script generation using ChatGPT. Open the document and copy the first prompt. Paste it directly into ChatGPT and hit enter. Boom! It instantly generates 10 high-impact historical documentary ideas, perfect for under 60 seconds, all written in clear English. Don't like the ideas? Just type "try again" and get a fresh list. Once you pick a topic, it's time to write the full script. Go back to the document, copy the second prompt, and paste it into the same ChatGPT chat. Before sending it, replace the topic inside the brackets with your chosen idea. For example, World War II. Hit enter, and in seconds you'll get a short, professional documentary narration, cinematic, informative, and ready for voiceover. Now, before turning this into audio, we need to break the script into visual scenes. Copy the third prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt converts your narration into realistic 3D text-to-video prompts optimized for cinematic lighting, accurate scale, and smooth camera movement. Next comes the voiceover. Copy the full script from ChatGPT and open ElevenLabs. Paste the script into the editor and choose a documentary-style voice. Adjust the speed or tone if needed, then generate the voiceover. Once you're happy with it, download the audio and move on. Now it's time to generate the visuals using Grok. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. We're skipping image generation today, so go directly to grok.com. This tool is completely free and allows up to 20 video generations per day on one account. Click on the Imagine tab. Set the video ratio to 3:2. We'll adjust it later in CapCut. Paste the prompt and hit enter. In seconds, your first cinematic scene is ready. Download it. Repeat the same process for every scene. Copy the next scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, generate, and download. Scene by scene, you'll build your entire mini documentary, totally free. Finally, bring everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your video clips and the voiceover. Drag the clips onto the timeline, set the project to 16:9 and adjust each clip if needed. Place the voiceover on the timeline and sync each scene with the narration. Add auto captions and choose a clean, dynamic caption style that fits documentary content. If you want, add soft background music for atmosphere. When everything looks good, export the video. And that's it. And now, you can create unlimited professional documentary videos using only ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Grok without spending a single dollar. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to Grow with Chesh, and I'll keep sharing powerful workflows like this. See you in the next one.
In the winter of 1942, on the frozen streets of Stalingrad, the fate of World War II began to shift. Nazi Germany had pushed deep into Soviet territory, aiming to cut off vital supply routes and seize the oil fields of the Caucasus. But the Red Army launched a massive counteroffensive, surrounding the German Sixth Army and cutting off its food, fuel, and ammunition. Trapped in brutal cold and constant fighting, more than 300,000 Axis troops slowly collapsed. In February 1943, Germany suffered its first complete army surrender of the war, The defeat shattered Hitler's image of invincibility and marked the beginning of a relentless